Good morning, students. Welcome back in the video session classes. Today I discuss number system. Number system, chapter 1, class 7, and this chapter today this chapter is related to topic. Previous class I discussed what is the decimal number system, but today I discuss binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and how to conversion binary to decimal number system. So today how to how to yeah how to convert binary to decimal number system. This is the topic. My dear student, first of all I discuss binary number system. Binary number system. Today I discuss what is binary number system. First of all, my dear student, the binary number system is made of 2 digits. Binary number system first made of 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. I already discussed previous classes. So the base or radix of the number system is 2. So binary number system, base or radix 2. Again, all the digital computers use binary number system and convert the user input from decimal format from binary equivalent. I again in this particular point, all digital computer, anywhere digital computer use binary number system. All digital computer use binary number system and convert the user input, convert the user input decimal number system. Decimal number system. I again request in every student, I am always provided with notes with video classes. So this is the binary number system. There are 3 main important points: made of 2 digits, 0 and 1, base 2. All digital computer using the binary number system but convert input into decimal number system. Hope every student agree in this particular point. The second point, octal number system. Octal number system. Every student remember in previous classes, octal number system, there are 8 unique digits. Octal first 8 unique digits. I hope every student agree. This unique digit 0 to 7. Second, this digit 0 to 7. Third point, This octal number system represent to 0 to 7. So base or radix of the number system is 8. Base or radix radix 8. Only 3 points. Every student remember. Anybody ask what is the binary number system? Base 2, make 2 digit, all digital, use binary number system, convert decimal number system. Octal 2 unit digit, 8 unit digit, 0 to 7, and base or radix 8. Today the third point, hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. My dear student, you remember in the previous classes, every student remember, hexadecimal number system made of 16. Hexa means 16, made of 16, no doubt. If this unique digit represent to 0 to 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. 0 to 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. 10, A. Not for the write down 10. Suppose you convert to the hexadecimal number system. The always time remember 10 represent to A, 11 represent to B, 12 represent to C, 13 D, 14 E, and 15 F. I hope every student agree in my particular sentence. This is the hexadecimal number system. I discuss in every such type of point: binary, octal, and hexa. My dear students, today I discuss how to convert binary to decimal. Binary to decimal number system. Every student must watch the video. Any doubt, please ask the question. My dear student, binary to decimal. First of all, binary base 2 and decimal base 10. This is the base. I have already discussed in every point. Then after discuss binary to decimal. First number point remember. Conversion. How to convert? The first of all remember which type of conversion. Decimal, octal. You always have remember base. Second point. First of all, I discuss a starting first point. You remember a starting from LSB. Starting from LSB, least significant bit, least significant bit. LSB full form, least significant bit. Let us example: 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1. This is the example. 1, this point is the LSB and this point is MSB. Least significant bit and most significant bit. Again, you remember how to this is the step, and this step you always have remember. This point is the very easy. Second step, each position with 2 to the power n, each position each position with 2 to the power n. What is the n? My dear student, n unit n is a position. n where n is a position. This is the two important point. Starting LSB and each position with 2 to the power n and n is the position. Suppose example. This is the example 1 0. Suppose let us the example, one example in front of you. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. This is the example in front of you. This position 0. You always time remember this position is 0. This is the number. This is the number 1 1 0 1. A number. This is a number. And bit. I write down to the bit. I write down to the bit 0 1 3 2 bit. Number and bit. Start. Third number point discuss. Start right to left. Not for a start left to right. You always time remember starting from right to left. Starting from right to left, not left to right. Let's start. 1 0. My dear student, 1, this one multiply, put 2 to the power n. n is the position, n is the position. 1 गुने 2 to the power 0. I hope every student agree. 1 1 गुने 1 1. Again 0 0 गुने 2 to the power 1. Value 0 गुने 2. Value 0. Again 1 गुने 2 to the power 3. 1 गुने 8. Value 8. Again 1 गुने 2 to the power 2. 1 गुने 4. Again value 4. 1. My dear student, 1 because this is 0 0 1 2 3. This is the position value, not this position value. 0 0 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 2. Value 4 4 and 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 3. One time I discuss 0 1. This is the example. Total value 13. I again discuss in this particular point. Starting from right to left. 1 गुने 2 to the power 0. 1 0 गुने 2 to the power 1. 0 1 गुने 2 to the power 2. 4 1 गुने 2 to the power 3. Value 8. Total value 13. I again the last example. Your books. This example is 1 0 1 1. This is the example. This is the number and bit. Bit 3 2 1 0. Then start. Starting right to left. Right to left. 1 गुने 2 to the power 0. Value 1. 1 गुने 2 to the power 1 गुने 2 to the power 1 वैल्यू 2, 0 गुने 2 to the power 2 0 and 1 गुने 2 to the power 3 वैल्यू 8, टोटल वैल्यू 11. This is the two example in front of you, binary to decimal conversion. Any doubt, any question, please ask. And every student, please must watch the video. I hope every student must watch. Thank you so much.